My name is Felicia Arriaga, and I am a senior. And this past summer, I was at the Curry School of Education at the University of Virginia, and I was working with the Center for Education Policy and Workforce Competitiveness there. And I was basically doing research with a study, the Educational Longitudinal Study of 2002, which is a national representative study. And I was looking at teacher expectations for students in 10th grade and how that affected their later outcomes, but I was also looking at those outcomes based on race, SES, and gender. Well, I actually was emailed the internship by a mentor that I have outside of the university. And she emailed it to me, and then I also forwarded it on to my certificate program. My certificate is the Children Contemporary Society certificate, so I felt as though a lot of the students there could also benefit from it. And then I also sent it out this past year to help recruit students as well. So basically, I was a research assistant on a project. The university itself and the center I was working for just received the information, so we were kind of like the first people to kind of go through all the data. We were also trying to see if there was a possibility to replicate a study that was conducted in the 70s called the Pygmalion experiment, which is basically looking at teacher expectations and how that affected students' outcomes and students' performance in the classroom. So on a daily basis, we did so at the beginning, it was just like we were doing a research project. We would do a bunch of reading, do a literature background on the particular topic, and then from there we would actually go and analyze the data, really be familiar with the data, and kind of figure out exactly what variables we were particularly looking at. I worked with another student who actually goes to Tuskegee, and she was my research partner for the summer. And any day in the office would be going through that, but the internship also offered a lot of other benefits. I was able to get GRE training through Kaplan, which was also included, so that was free. And then we also were given graduate preparation workshops, so where we could kind of present our research, how to apply, what programs to apply to. So it was very helpful preparation for this fall semester when I was actually applying for graduate school.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.